Hello YouTubers. In this video I'm going to show some tips and tricks that I use to start seeds indoors for the growing season. As you can see here, I'm drilling some holes on the bottom of some used old milk containers, and that will help with excess water drainage. So you take some potting soil from your favorite big box store, fill these couple of these containers with them, and make sure they have these drainage holes on the bottom, and we should be ready to get started with our seeds and indoor gardening, right? So the first thing we do is you take your small wooden stick or a tool like that to make holes for the seeds that you want to plant, or you could use the technique that I like to use for seeds that I have in mind for these boxes are as follows, right? The first thing I'm planning to plant in them is coriander seeds or cilantro. You take those seeds and sprinkle them gently around in the planter boxes that we have created, like so. And don't worry about the placement and spacing, at least in my case, because I'm going to be putting some more potting soil on top of them. So the order and placement doesn't matter much. So the second seed type that I'm going to be planting in these planter boxes is called baby spinach. So same technique. These seeds are very small and tiny, and they're pretty smooth. They'll slip right off your fingers if you're not careful. So just be careful when you handle them when you're trying to plant these, because if you don't, you'll have a bunch of spinach growing everywhere in your potting medium. So you just sprinkle them around, top it off with some more potting soil, you water them in, you're good to go. So one important thing I forgot to mention is the bottom of all these containers is an old recycled cake lid that I just I'm using to hold the water runoff from these containers. Easy to clean up at the end of the season, or when they're ready to move out of the house into the garden, right? So the third kind of seeds that we're going to be planting are garlic chives, and these seeds are a bit easier to handle than the baby spinach ones, and I'm going to be trying to place them in the container box that we've created before. So the way you plant the seeds is as follows. You can either use the technique that I showed earlier in this video, or try to plant them in a specific sequence or order. Either ways, the outcome should be the same. Just remember to top it off with some potting soil and water it in, and keep it in a warm sunny place in your house. They should be good to go. That's it for this video. If you like the content, please like, comment, and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos in this channel. In the comment section, please leave your feedback and any future video requests that you might have, or questions, and I'll try to get to them. Thank you.